Losing your remote control sync after a power surge is super frustrating, but you can fix it without calling anyone. So first, unplug your device from the power source for about 5 to 10 minutes. This lets everything reset, which often solves the syncing problem. Next, check the batteries in your remote because sometimes a surge can mess with their power. If they look corroded or weak, swap them out for fresh ones. Then, try resyncing your remote by holding down the sync or pairing button on both the remote and the device. Usually you hold them for a few seconds until a light blinks or something similar happens. Make sure there's nothing blocking the signal between your remote and the device. Even small objects can cause issues. If your remote has a manual sync process, follow that exactly, like pressing certain buttons in order. Lastly, if all else fails, look for firmware updates on your device's website because some fixes come from software patches. One of the biggest problems people face with remote controls losing sync after a power surge is not resetting the device properly. Just unplug it long enough to clear any glitches. Another common mistake is ignoring weak or dead batteries, which can totally kill the signal, so always replace them if you're unsure. Lastly, people often forget to check for interference from other electronic devices or physical obstructions, so make sure your remote has a clear path to the device. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when you need help with home repairs or upgrades. Plus, it helps contractors connect with homeowners who are looking for reliable pros to get the job done right.